everyone, my name is Sakshi Sunil Ayya and I am going to explain on the topic capacity planning. Capacity planning is the process of determining the production capacity needed by organization to meet changing demands for its products or services. It ensures that resources such as labor, equipment, facilities are efficiently utilized to prevent underutilization or overloading. Effective capacity planning helps businesses balance supply and demand, optimize cost, and maintain service levels. It is crucial in industries like manufacturing, IT, telecommunication, and healthcare, where resources allocation directly impacts operational efficiency. There are three main types of capacity planning: lead strategy, lag strategy, match strategy. Objectives of capacity planning. Capacity planning ensure optimal resources utilization, prevent efficiencies due to overcapacity or undercapacity, enhance cost effectiveness, minimize waste and unnecessary expenses, improve customer satisfaction, maintain timely delivery and service levels, increase stability and flexibility, adapt to market trends and fluctuation, reduce risk, minimize bottlenecks, delays, and downtime. Key components of capacity planning. Capacity requirement planning determine the workforce, equipment, and facilities needed. Resource planning ensure availability of material, labor, and technology. Workload analysis evaluates how tasks and processes are distributed across available resources. Bottleneck identification detect constraints in production or service flow. Performance measurement uses key metrics to evaluate capacity efficiency. Level of capacity planning. Strategic capacity planning focuses on investment in new facilities, workforce expansions, or major technological upgrades, usually over a 3 to 10 years period. Tactical capacity planning addresses seasonal demand changes, optimizing shifts and adjusting production lines typically within 1 to 3 years. Operational capacity planning deals with day-to-day adjustment, machine scheduling, workforce, shift, and immediate changes in demand. Capacity planning strategies. Lead strategy involve increasing capacity ahead of anticipated demand growth. Avoid capacity shortage, ensure quick response to market growth. Cons: high initial cost, risk of underutilization if demand doesn't increase. Second, lag strategy. Expand capacity only when existing resources reach their limits. Pros: cost efficient, avoids over investment. Cons: risk of delay response to demand. 6. Potential loss of customers. Third, match strategy incrementally increases capacity in response to demand trends. Pros: balances cost efficiency and responsiveness. Cons: requires constant monitoring and flexible investment. Capacity planning process. Step 1. Assess current capacity. Evaluate existing infrastructure, workforce, and technology. Use historical data to determine utilization rates. Step 2. Forecast future demand. Analyze market trends, customer behavior, and seasonality. Use predictive analytics, machine learning, or statistical models. Step 3. Identify gaps in capacity. Compare current capabilities with projected demand. Identify shortage, bottleneck, and overcapacity. Step 4. Develop a capacity plan. Choose a suitable strategy: lead, lag, match, or dynamic. Allocate budget and resources accordingly. Step 5. Implement and monitor. Deploy automation, ERP systems, and monitoring tools. Future trends in capacity planning. AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning enhance predictive analytics for demand forecasting. IoT and smart sensor provides real-time real-time data on equipment usage. Cloud computing and edge computing allows dynamic stability for IT infrastructure. Digital twins and simulation modeling helps test different capacity scenarios before implementation. Finally, conclusion. Capacity planning is essential for businesses to optimize resources, meet customer demands, and maintain efficiency by leveraging data analytics, AI, and